Apple is just days away from unveiling the iPhone 17 lineup, and this year it's not just the usual iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and Pro Max. Nope, Apple's also introducing an all-new iPhone 17 Air, a super slim device that might shake things up. The event is happening September 9th, but thanks to leaks and rumors, we already have a pretty good idea of what's coming. So let's break it all down by model. First up, the regular iPhone 17. This one might finally get a feature fans have been begging for, a 120Hz promotion display. Until now, Apple's kept that buttery smooth refresh rate exclusive to the Pro models, but it looks like the base iPhone is finally joining the party. The display itself is expected to grow to 6.7 inches, with slimmer bezels making room for the upgrade. Another long overdue change is the selfie camera. Apple has stuck with 12 megapixels since the iPhone 11, but this year we're jumping to 24 megapixels across the entire lineup. Expect sharper selfies and much better video calls. On the inside, the iPhone 17 should also be a lot snappier, with 12 gigabytes of RAM for the first time ever on a non-Pro model. That extra memory will help run Apple Intelligence features and future-proof the phone, and charging speeds might finally catch up to the competition. Apple is reportedly adopting chat-to-point to wireless charging, which bumps MagSafe speeds up to 45 watts. That's nearly double today's 25 watts. Now let's talk about the brand new kid on the block, the iPhone 17 Air. This is Apple's answer to the Mini and Plus experiments, and it's going in a completely different direction. The Air will reportedly be the thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.4 millimeters. That's crazy slim, even compared to modern Android flagships. But of course, that slim profile comes with compromises. The battery is rumored to be just 2,800 milliamp hours, which is tiny by today's standards, and instead of two rear cameras, the Air might only ship with a single 48 megapixel shooter. Still, it won't be all bad news. The Air could feature a surprisingly large 6.6-inch 120Hz display, the same 4MP front camera upgrade, and Apple's new C1 cellular modem to save space. Oh, and while the Pro models may be moving away from titanium this year, the Air might actually keep it, giving it a premium feel despite its slimmer size. Moving on to the heavy hitters, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. This is where Apple is packing in the biggest upgrades. The design is getting a major overhaul, with a horizontal camera island that stretches almost edge to edge. That's because the hardware inside is getting much more serious. The telephoto lens is rumored to jump to 48 megapixels, finally bringing